Dogs don't get their vitamin D, or cats for that matter, the same way that humans do via the sunlight. They get some by the sunlight, but really what they're doing is they're getting their vitamin D from their food. And if you think about it, they used to eat raw. They were out hunting, right? They were eating raw, they were eating the meat, and they were eating the organs. So they were getting some vitamin D from that. But now most of the dog diets, obviously from our test results, are highly deficient. It's pretty scary. But I shouldn't have been surprised, because what we're seeing in general is the pets that live with the humans tend to get the same diseases now as the humans they live with. This is the environmental impact, right? So now we have increase in cancer in dogs, increased autoimmunity in dogs, and I think some of it's due to these nutrients which they're not getting in adequate amounts. We've tested those. Now, when we look at cats, they're not quite as bad. Depends on the cat. Why is that? Well, because many cats do get fish. And so fish is a source. So we're seeing they're not as bad. When we look at pigs, it's another really difficult situation. Again, so pigs do get their vitamin D like humans do. Their physiology is very similar. They need to be out in the sun. Do they see the light of day? No, they do not. And to me, that is a big problem. That's a management problem. But the other management pieces, they're really deficient in vitamin D. Now, interestingly enough, pigs get every kind of virus you can imagine. And maybe we could mitigate some of this problem. So I'm getting back to the food safety by not only breeding them for immunity, but feeding them for immunity. And those two things are not mutually exclusive, right? So that's the problem. Now we're looking in the poultry industry, and we're seeing just some deficiencies there. Now, poultry, the egg laying side will get vitamin D because it's important for the development of the egg, the shell. So they figured that out. But on the meat side, not so much.